Hola amigos. So this is the example that I have for talking about what I did over the summer, and you can do it like this. Instead of drawing the pictures, I just went ahead and opened that document, and I put in some pictures from the internet. And so these are things that I did over the Christmas break, and I'm going to give my presentation to you. You guys are going to do this as well, and you can use Screencast-O-Matic. I recommend that; it's a lot easier. And then also you're going to have your sentences below this too. Okay, so yeah, don't forget you're gonna have to write your sentences down here too. That's part of this assignment, two-part assignment. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give my presentation and go ahead and listen. This is your example. Durante las vacaciones, yo caminé mucho en la playa, visité familia, hice ejercicio, corrí casi todos los días, comí mucho, comí pavo, abrí muchos regalos, celebré mi cumpleaños, cumple 50 años este año, vi fútbol, limpié la casa, fui a Portland, paseé en bicicleta y relajé mucho. Okay, clase, that was my example of what I did over Christmas break. I used the past tense in that, and I had a variety of different verbs. Let me know if you have any questions. Adios, amigos.